everyone, I'm Mike Palmer, Certified Financial Planner at Ark Royal Wealth Management, and today we're diving into a big change coming to 401k plans starting in January 2025. If you're between the ages of 60 and 63, there's a new opportunity that could let you save even more for retirement through what's being called a super catch-up contribution. Now, let's break down what this means, who qualifies, and what you should consider as you plan your retirement strategy. Here's the headline. If you're eligible, you'll be able to add an extra $11,250 to your 401k or 403b starting in 2025. This could bring your total contribution up to a whopping $34,750, really allowing you to turbocharge your retirement savings in those final working years. For several years now, people 50 or older have had the option to make catch-up contributions to their 401ks or 403bs. But starting in January 2025, if you're between the ages of 60 and 63, you'll have access to the enhanced contribution limit. Now, let's clarify a few things. This super catch-up is strictly for employee contributions. Any employer match you receive doesn't count towards this super catch-up limit. So it's all about what you're personally able to contribute. The super catch-up limit is the same whether you make those contributions as traditional pre-tax or as Roth contributions. So if you're thinking about a Roth strategy for tax-free withdrawals in retirement, this could be a great chance to contribute even more into your Roth account. But there's a bit of a wrinkle coming in 2026. If your W-2 gross wages in 25 are over $145,000, any catch-up contributions in 2026 will have to go into a Roth account. So how should you approach this? Well, it makes strategic planning for 2025 especially important. You may want to look at how you're currently dividing contributions between Roth and pre-tax. This way, you can manage the tax impacts now and ensure your savings plan aligns with the changes coming in 2026 and beyond. This super catch-up contribution can be a real game changer, giving you a powerful boost towards your retirement savings goal. Remember, maximizing this opportunity starts with a clear plan. So be sure to contact us if you need help figuring out what's best for your specific situation. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. We're Ark Royal Wealth Management, and we want to help you make smart decisions about money. If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of working with a truly independent and objective fee-only financial advisor, we welcome the opportunity to talk with you.